Hi. Today looking at the PAT paper from 2012, going through question 8. So question 8 says we have two fair dice, one numbered 1 through 6 and one numbered 1 through 3, with each number appearing twice, i.e. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If both die are rolled once and their total summed, what is the probability that the sum is 7? Okay, so what I've done here is write out a table to list out our combinations that will give us the sum being 7. And we've got die 1 here, so this is the numbers on die 1, and we have die 2 here, the numbers on die 2. So what combinations add to give us 7? Well, clearly 6 and 1, 5 and 2, and 3 and 4. So let's figure out the probabilities of each of these happening. Well, each die is fair. So die 1 has 6 probabilities, each with a even chance of coming up. So we know that each one is going to be 1/6. Again, die 2 has 3 options, each with a fair chance of coming up. So each one's going to be 1/3. Okay, so let's list out our combinations. So that means the probability of a 7, well, that's going to be equal to the probability that die 1 has a 6, 1/6, and probability that die 2 has a 1, 1/3, plus probability die 1 has a 5, 1/6, plus times the probability that die 2 has a 2, 1/3, or the probability that die 1 has a 4, and the probability that die 2 has a 3. Well, this comes out to give us 3/18, or the probability of 1/6.